Alibaba shares also jumped today on the back of earnings. They have been unapologetic about ramping up their investments, and they say that will continue. Dan, what do you make of that?
Look, I mean, it's no different than what Amazon's doing or what Netflix is doing. I mean, they are in super uber growth mode. You saw that on the e-commerce front. I mean, 60% growth, even investing on cloud. And I think right now this is a land grab opportunity. Just like you're seeing Amazon e-commerce on the U.S., I mean, Alibaba is just in a massive position of strength. And that's why I think investors are cheering the strategy. And I think this is just another vote of confidence for that overall e-commerce market. As the two giants, you got Alibaba and now Amazon, really are, it's sort of two-horse race here depending on geographical where you look. And I think this is also when Alibaba, they're going to continue to expand to other areas. And that's why this investment, I think it's a smart strategy at this point.
So, Kevin, what does this say about the health of the U.S. tech market versus the China tech market, which, by the way, just a few weeks ago, there were analysts out there saying that a tech bubble had been burst, and a lot of what was lost has been recovered just in the last few weeks, given the earnings reports.
Yeah, absolutely. When you look at the China tech versus the U.S. tech argument, one of the big things that we've been noting is the rate of growth. But we talked about the tech sector being a place where you would go for this bottom line EPS growth. If you look at China tech, it's actually projected to grow twice as fast as U.S. tech over the next 12 months. And when you look at the valuations, yes, they're a little bit higher for these Chinese tech companies on a price to earnings multiple basis. But that's what you would expect if they're expected to grow faster. And at the same time, they're pretty much in line, these valuations are pretty much in line with what you would expect over the last 10 years based on averages. So Chinese tech stocks, from a valuation perspective, don't look too stretched and are projected to grow twice as fast as the U.S. market.